Have you ever wondered who runs a hotel while everyone else is asleep? Let's dive into the world of the night auditor. While guests sleep peacefully, one hotel employee is working behind the scenes. That person is called the night auditor. They ensure everything is accurate and ready for the next day. Today, we'll explain their vital role, responsibilities, and why they matter. A night auditor performs two jobs at once. They are a front office professional and an accountant. They handle guest services like late check-ins while simultaneously auditing the hotel's financial records for the business day. Their shift typically runs from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m., acting as the bridge that closes today's business and prepares for tomorrow. Why is this process so important? Every day, hundreds of transactions occur across restaurants, bars, spas, and room services. The night auditor verifies every charge, ensuring it is posted to the correct guest account before the business day closes. This rigorous check prevents financial losses and ensures the accuracy of all reporting. What are their daily tasks? They handle late arrivals, process early checkouts, and verify all financial transactions. They must balance cash and card payments against system records, investigating any discrepancies immediately. Using property management software, they run the official audit process to close the current day and open the next. After the audit, they prepare critical reports like revenue, occupancy, and arrival lists for management decision-making. They coordinate room statuses with housekeeping and maintain hotel security throughout the quiet night hours. Success in this role requires patience, attention to detail, strong computer skills, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. They utilize software like Opera PMS or Cloudbeds, and this role can lead to positions like duty manager or general manager. Working night shifts comes with challenges like changing sleep schedules and handling emergencies solo, but it offers valuable experience. If you enjoy working independently, have a head for numbers, and love hospitality, this could be your ideal path. Night auditors are the silent heroes who ensure every hotel record is correct and ready for a new business day. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which hotel role you'd like to learn about next. The experience gained as a night auditor provides a deep understanding of both front office operations and financial management. From balancing cash drawers to coordinating with maintenance teams, this role builds decision-making skills that are vital in any management position. By mastering these financial and operational tasks, you prepare yourself for a long-term, successful career in the hospitality industry. It is an ideal choice for those who want to build a foundation in accounting while staying connected to the dynamic world of guest services. Ultimately, night auditors act as the silent heroes who ensure the hotel functions seamlessly, even while the rest of the world rests. Without the dedication of the night audit team, the accuracy and readiness of a hotel's daily business would simply not be possible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know which hotel role you'd like us to cover next.